bawal pagsabihan. Bawal may magsabi ng masama. Oh. Minor di ay. Kilala mo? Poser? Alam mong minor? Misite. Kochi. Halika dito. Dito ka sa 149 Salazar Street, Tacloban City. Come here. I'm actually working, but... Okay. Napapos yung pagtatrabaho ko kasi... mga pabebe kayo eh. Ano mo yan? Kung yumakap ka with thorns and harshness, do you expect me to hug back with rainbows and marshmallows and butterflies? No. You're so unprofessional. Ngaw. Well, this is a lesson. Na kailangan mag-isip siya sa mga sasabihin niya bago siya mag-comment. This, my reaction, is just valid. Why? I am feeding 2 kids. I'm a single mom. Okay? I am unsupported by the government. Tapos sisirain mo ko? Sisirain mo ang work ko sa social media? Wow! Tapos, nung pinansin ka na, nung sinabihan ka na, sasabihin mo, oh my God! I am a victim here! Why are you harassing me? Pero, minor ka pala, huwag ka mag-Facebook! Ba't ka nag-Facebook? Di mo pala kaya dito sa Facebook eh. Huwag mag-Facebook, doon ka sa Cocomelon. Doon ka, kung YouTube ka, Cocomelon. Tantrum? Di ako nagtatantrum. Ganito talaga ako magsalita. Di mo ako kilala. I'm a very fun person to be with. But, don't fucking piss me off. I'm a Taurus. I'm a bull. I shut up. I don't mind other people's business. But if you try to destroy my peace, you will get it. You will literally get it. Okay? Kung ikaw ay isang minor talaga, like, minor ako eh. Like what you're saying, you are. Come to Fuyuan, I'll treat you. I'll treat you food, and play games, and of course, give you, free cotton candy. Okay? Go, May 16. Or I'm here right now. I have a lot of food here. Come here. I will apologize wholeheartedly if you're really a minor. And then next time, do not say shit again. Okay? Okay. Nire-risk mo trabaho. Ginirisk mo itakon trabaho. And by risking my work with whatever I do, with my output, doing that, you're gonna risk 2 lives. Not just 2 lives. Because I have cats to feed. I have dogs to feed. Nakaintindi ka? So, ay ka mapagka... Softy ka pala eh. Huwag ka mag-Facebook. Kausapin ko mama mo. Saan mama mo? Kausapin ko. Dali. Minor ka, di ba? Huwag ka mag-Facebook. Minor ka pala eh. Mga anak ko nga eh. Ako lang may hawak ng mga Facebook nila eh. But I will give it to them when they're older na. Pero that's a long story. Long story ah. Masali ng ibang storya na yon. Okay? Gets? Get it? Sabihin nyo, sinisira niya ang branding ng org. Sinisira niya yung community. Community, my ass. You people are the ones pulling the community down. Not thinking what to comment first. Imbis na, okay, we will go there, okay. Yung i-comment yung, ay. Sure ka? Baka di balay, bis ka kumita ako, nag-AI ako didi. I may have been editing some AI stuff for memes, for fun, just for the sake of fun. And faces. Ano mo yun? But, do not tarnish my work. Do not. You're saying na, kaya na niyoging kuha na nga tao, yung kuha na nga tao, ang bot ko rin na nag-share. But, that person knows me better. Okay? And do not include the org here. Kasi you guys are looking for things to say so that the org goes down. Wala nga ka mo ginihimo. What are you doing? Are you doing something? Anything at all? Huh? Think twice. Kung nadiri ka mo, ngayaknan ka mo maglain, nadiri ka mo, nga bulsan ka mo, and call it harassment, think twice before saying something online. Because you don't know the person, girl. Direk niyo kilala. You don't know me. You don't know me. I can be professional, but I can be an asshole as well. I'm just giving back what you've given me. I am anxious because that's my work. If you have any problems with my work, do not include the org. Come to my place and I'll show you how it's done. Come May 16 and I'll show you I can paint. Literal. On paper. Para sigurado. But I'll bring my tablet with me. Go. Diri kay magsisinugad ka mo, kay you're tarnishing my work. You're tarnishing my work. Diri ka mag-professional. You're a social media manager. You're supposed to be professional. Bitch! I know what I'm doing. I am not posting anything to my clients' pages na makakagubahaera. My account is different from their account. And they don't have any fucking business with my account. Nakaintindi ka mo? Magkaiba po ang dalawa. Magkaiba ang page ko na isa at magkaiba po ang mga pages ng mga clients ko from US and national and local. Nakaintindi? Nadiri ka nga ginayaknan ka? Punta, nag-iisip ka. Minor ka pala eh. Happy Mother's Day sa mom mo. Make sure you greet her. Okay? Before you victimize yourself, like, I'm a victim. Puro na lang. Lalambot nyo kayo dito sa Facebook. Putang ina.